Okay, so get ready, because today we're going deep into the world of stickers,
Stickers.
but with like a really cool AI twist.
Oh, yeah.
We're talking about how you can actually make money
Make money.
with AI sticker designs.
Really?
Like you don't have to be a graphic designer or an artist or anything.
Yeah.
You can use AI to kind of build yourself a sticker empire.
A sticker empire.
Wow. So we found this article about how to do that,
Oh, cool.
and it's pretty interesting stuff.
Yeah, it really is fascinating, actually. Like, this whole thing with AI and design is really capturing people's attention
Absolutely.
because these AI tools are really making it possible for anyone to just jump in and start creating cool designs.
Exactly.
You don't need to be an artist. You
Yeah.
can barely draw a stick figure and still make awesome stickers.
I know, it's so cool. I was actually messing around with one just yesterday
Oh, yeah.
called Midjourney.
Oh, yeah. Midjourney's a good one.
Yeah, and I was really surprised at how quickly I was able to create like some pretty decent looking designs.
I know, right?
And I am not an artist whatsoever.
No.
But so how does it actually work?
Yeah. How does it actually work?
Does the AI just like pull designs out of thin air?
Well, not exactly out of thin air,
Okay.
but it might feel like magic. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
These AI design generators use something called a diffusion model.
A diffusion model.
Yeah, have you heard of this?
I've heard of it. I don't really know what it means though.
Yeah, well, it's a really complex algorithm, basically, that can learn from massive data sets of images.
Okay.
So you basically just feed the AI a text prompt.
Okay.
So you could say something like, a groovy retro robot playing a guitar, something really specific.
Uh-huh.
And then it takes that description and uses it to generate unique designs.
Oh, wow. So you're kind of like the director.
Exactly.
You're giving the AI creative direction.
Yes.
And then it's your like little digital artist.
Exactly. It's bringing your vision to life.
Wow.
Like you have this whole team of designers at your fingertips.
Yeah, that's incredible.
And you can generate so many different variations.
Instantly.
Ah.
And they're looking pretty cool. What's the next step?
Okay.
How do I turn these digital doodles into dollars?
Into dollars.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the digital world offers a ton of options.
Okay.
So you could sell digital versions of your stickers.
Okay.
So think like downloadable sticker packs
Okay.
that people can use online.
Yeah.
There's platforms like Etsy,
Etsy.
Creative Market, Gumroad.
Gumroad.
These are all great for selling digital stickers.
Okay, cool. And so that's like passive income, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
But I imagine there's still some work involved, right?
Yeah, you can't just upload your designs and expect the money to start rolling in.
Okay.
You need to think about things like SEO, search engine optimization.
SEO.
Yeah, make sure you're using relevant keywords so people can actually find your stickers.
Oh, okay.
And then, of course, promoting your work on social media.
All right, so there's still work involved.
Yeah, there's a hustle.
There's a hustle.
But it's cool that you can essentially sell the same digital design.
Over and over.
Over and over.
Print on demand. Have you heard of this?
I've heard of it, yeah.
Yeah, so there are these services like Redbubble,
Red
Dazzle Society 6,
Okay.
and they'll actually print your stickers onto like mugs, t-shirts,
Oh, wow.
whatever you want.
But only when someone orders them.
Exactly. So you don't have to worry about having like boxes and boxes of stickers.
It's your basement.
In your basement. Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
So they handle everything, printing, packaging, shipping.
You just upload the design.
You just upload the design.
Oh, that's pretty clever. Okay, so...
It's a low-risk way to test out different designs.
Right.
See what people like.
Okay, so are all of these platforms like Etsy and Redbubble, do they all work kind of the same way? So they all have their own quirks and their own strengths.
Okay.
So for example, Etsy is probably better for people who maybe already have a niche
Okay.
or following,
Uh-huh.
because Etsy has a really strong community of handmade and vintage goods buyers.
Yeah.
Whereas Redbubble might be ideal if you're just testing out new designs.
Well, some of the platforms where people are buying and selling sticker NFTs.
So there are some popular marketplaces like OpenSea,
OpenSea.
Bearable, and Foundation.
Okay. And so that kind of opens up like a global market, right?
Exactly. Yeah, especially if your designs tap into trends or communities that are active in the NFT space.
Right. Okay, cool. So this article had one more interesting thing that it mentioned,
Yeah, what was that?
which was offering customized design services using AI.
Oh, yeah. So if you've got the skills, why not share them with the world, right?
Right, exactly.
So you can basically position yourself as an AI-powered sticker designer
Okay.
on freelance platforms like Fiverr,
Fiverr.
Upwork Freelancer,
Uh-huh.
and there's tons of people out there, businesses, influencers, anyone really who might be looking for unique sticker designs
Yeah.
for branding events or merchandise.
Right. So you're not just creating your own sticker empire.
You're helping other people build theirs.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's really cool.
Yeah, the possibilities are pretty vast.
Okay, so we've covered a lot.
All right.
Well, thanks for joining us on this sticker deep dive.
Yeah, it's been fun.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.